not the best way to do this. Is this supposed to look like that? They're still kind of warm though, but oh shit, they're like totally attached. Oh shit, these were really hard to get out of the paper. Oh man. Ugh, they're like all squishy on the inside. Shit. Okay, good morning. It's a new day. You can kind of consider this part 2 of my vanilla protein cupcakes experiment. So yesterday was an epic fail. They tasted like possum. Not that I know what that tastes like. Okay, so the problem... Okay, let me try to explain. Actually, it's a very simple explanation. I did everything correct. The ingredients were fine. The taste in itself is fine, but they came out soggy. They're wet, basically, on the inside. So I think that means that I have to cook them longer. I'm no expert, by the way. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, yeah, I know they currently look extraordinarily delicious, but I'm gonna eat them regardless. I'm so excited for cupcakes. I'm hungry. It's early morning. It's super early.
It's not early morning.
It's early enough, and
12 o'clock.
If they don't work this time, I'll never bake again. This will be the first and last time I've ever baked something this year. Oh, they look so crusty, musty, dusty. Or soggy and disgusting on the like inside slash underneath. Completely wet. Oslo update. It's actually so embarrassing to say that like, what did you spend your summer holiday on?
Wanking.
No,
Okay.
not at all. I've literally watched so much TikTok, but I feel like it makes sense for me because I get a lot. I use TikTok not just to like entertain myself, but also to get ideas for my side hustles. So currently I have made a TikTok account for the aspiring business oriented people out there, young people, entrepreneurs that wants to start something. And honestly, I'm just posting TikTok content. I've tried to start an affiliate marketing business and I have some links there, so I'm just kind of like trying to push out as much content as I can to grow my audience. So I feel like affiliate marketing is like one of the best business models that I've seen, at least, because I tried to start doing an SMMA, social media marketing agency, and not that I haven't like completely quit. Well, I have quit. I don't actively do anything with my agency at the point. I still have my website, I still have my business email and stuff like that, and I can still, like, if I were to get a client, I could still do whatever job needs to be done, but it's not something I'm spending time on right now. And right now I just want to focus on building up my other side hustles, and I'm just trying to, like, I don't know, I guess just crack the code. And I don't know if there's any code to crack, to be honest. I feel like the only reason why people are going viral is because they give value. Like, they give content that makes people want to watch. And as long as you do that, and you do that often enough, your audience will find you. And the thing about, like, if you have an audience that trusts you, and an audience that believes in what you're doing and you believe in what you're doing, you can sell them what, you know, makes sense for you to sell them. Very simple business model. Anyone can do it. Doesn't cost anything to start up. When I heard about it, I was like, wow, what have I been doing? Because I first started in SMMA and I spent $1,800 on a course that, yeah, I learned a lot. So I can't really say that it was a waste of money because, well, would I do it again? Absolutely fucking no. But you can't really say that it's like a total, complete fucking waste, because it isn't. The people who made that course, you can clearly see that they spent much time on making it. And they're like a whole group of people, and they do like weekly mentorship calls, so you can like schedule that whenever you want. I don't know, I just feel like I don't have enough experience to take money, to actually like take other people's money to make Facebook ads and stuff. Like, I don't know, I'm still in the running towards becoming American. So fuck the cupcakes, we're gonna do rice cakes instead. So anyway, a little life update. Yes, it's the last week of July. Today it's Wednesday, I think. Most likely Wednesday. Have I been working this month? Yes and no. I have the privilege of having the opportunity to take my work home and have a home office. Supposedly. It's a little too light. And I mean, it's all up to you really how much money you want to make. If you don't sell good, you're not going to get paid very good. So it's really all up to you. And I'm very aware that this month is not going to do me very well. So I work a commission-based job. My 9 to 5 is a commission-based job, which gives me a lot of freedom, but it also takes a lot of discipline to get the job done. And when it's times like this, you know, especially July, it's a cold calling job, basically. Like, we cold call customers and sell insurance. And, you know, in July, most people are gone. They're on holiday. Most of them don't even pick up the phone. That's nothing new though, like they tend to not do that either way. But that's fine, you're getting used. I'm used to it. It's not that it bothers me or anything. But this month, like, people are away, right? They don't want to talk about insurance when they're in Spain, you know, slurping up their pina coladas on the beach with the kids. So it's a little rough for insurance people or sales people in general, that we're depending on people picking up their phones to make sales. Because if they don't, we can't sell them anything, obviously. The first week started off fine, like I got some sales. And then after that, it kind of like dropped out a little bit because it's summer for me too. You know, it's not just the customers. You kind of get absorbed into the whole summer mindset that people have in this month particularly. Like, people don't really give a shit, and kind of like, yeah, you can just say that you gotta have self-discipline. And yes, I guess I haven't had it. I haven't had that much discipline to keep going. So it's just gonna have to mean that I have to work harder when I get back to work. But I kind of just want to take this month to just completely relax and just not worry too much, and just, yeah. There's a part of me that's kind of like, oh, what have you even done? You know, kind of like disappointed in myself. And the other part is like, you know what, chill. Because you work all the time. When there isn't summer, like, what do? I go to work, come home, I go to the gym, come home, and then I work on my side hustles. And then it's basically the end of the day, and then you go to bed and do the same thing the next day. So this month has really just kind of been a little break for me, and it's been nice to just not stress and not really run around worrying too much about things. So yes, things are slow business wise, but I'm still working on. I'm trying to like figure out. I'm constantly. I think that's one of the things that a lot of entrepreneurs also think about when it comes to like making or starting an online business. Like you want to crack the code, right? You don't want to work, like work much and get little in returns for it. You want to work as little as possible and get as much return as possible. But the thing is, in the beginning, it's the opposite. It's always going to be the opposite in the beginning. You're just going to have to push. It's like a snowball. You have to go up the hill before you can get returns. And that's going to take time. It's going to take a hell lot of effort, and only the best of the best can do it. Because there's a reason why not everyone is doing it. There's a reason why most people are satisfied with their 9-to-5s, because they enjoy, or they don't want the responsibility that comes with having freedom in your life. And it takes discipline. And if you don't have that, you're not going to make it. So most people need someone to kind of whip them around, tell them what to do, when to do it, how to do it. And that's fine. Like most people, that's like a normal job. That's the normal life. Most people do that, and most people don't have any issues with it. But if you're not like that, there are other ways. I've been watching videos like this for years now, like, and the more I watch videos, the more I kind of like see it, I visualize it, I see it happening, and I'm working towards it. Every single day I have that in my head. There's not a single day that goes by where I don't think about making money. I refuse to live the rest of my life working for someone else. I refuse. There's a ton of possibilities out there to make money online, and I just really want to make it work. So there's that. That's my little diary update.
Bobby! Kom. Ut ass! Kom on. Yeah.
Let's say hello to the goats.
Meh. 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 Jag vet inte om du tar på den. Nej. Ja. Nej!
Good morning. We are currently at a farm doing farm stuff, because why not? We're just gonna hang with the animals today and maybe fly some drone. That would be really cool. We could get some, cool shots around the farm. Like, it's a really pretty day, blue skies and stuff, and it's really beautiful out here. So I hope we can get some cool footage. That'd be cool. I do live in the creepiest room I've ever seen in my life, though. I mean, when we first got here, I was like, are we gonna sleep here? It looks like it's been taken out of some horror movie. It reminds me of, I don't know, The Exorcist. No, it reminds me of something else. I can't remember. If you look at the details, like, what the I think we should definitely watch a scary movie here. That would be so cool. I bet we would be so creeped out. One of the things that I'm really impressed by is, it's super random, but the saturation, I know, more nerd talk, but seriously, like the saturation, the color of this grass that I'm standing on right now is insane. It looks like it's fake. It's so colorful and it's so bright. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, let's go say hello to the sheep. Like, sheep and goats, really all they do is eat. Like, if you think cats have a simple life, like they just sleep and eat and cuddle, sheep, they only do one of those three things. They only eat. Like, they eat while they sleep. That's all they do. Like, have you ever seen a sheep that's like standing still like this? Because they don't exist. They will always, when you see a sheep, they'll be like this. It's crazy. Same with goats. They literally, all they do is eat. So I think I'm like changing my spirit animal from cat to goat or sheep. Probably a goat because they're cuter.
I look fabulous.
You look absolutely clear.
Clear.
No. Clear.
Water.
Today we're gonna do something really fun.
Yes. It will be super fun for us.
You can't tell by what we're wearing, because it looks like we're going out shopping, but we're not. We're doing something completely different. Are you excited?
I am excited.
I'm excited. I'm super excited. But you guys don't know what we're gonna do, so. Yeah, that's pretty high.
Quite high.
That's quite high. 700 meters. That's crazy how steep it is. You ready to jump?
Yeah.
I heard a scream. So I thought that was a good sign. I need to see someone do this before I ever even consider. Hell no. Oh. Ooh. Well, one of them went really fast and the other one was like hanging behind. I think it's a weight thing. The more you wait, you're gonna go super fast. Where are we?
Holmenkollen ski jump resort thing.
But why are we underneath it and not on top of it?
Because there's a line. We're a bit late today, so we're like 7 hours of line if we want to go up to the top.
Holy shit. God, it's hot. But yeah, we were here a little too late today. We were gonna go to the top and do the zip line. Sondra, like, that was his only thing. That was his only wish. That's what he wanted to do today, and he was so excited and he was so looking forward to it, but we were a little too late because I had to work like for a couple of hours, which kind of ruined our momentum, and now all the stupid kids and families are here.
Stupid fact.
Yeah, like why pretend? I like this little lakey thingy kind of thing. Do you want to like go and see? What the fuck? So we just arrived at our Airbnb in Benidorm, and how do we feel about this?
Peaceful.
Peaceful.
And it's quite exceptional.
It's so hot, but
It's very moist.
It's very moist. I'm very happy with the view though. Look at this shit.
Hoppeslåss på vannet. Har du sett det?
Nei. Oh my god, det er
Jeg har
hoppeslåss.
alltid drømt om.
Ja.
Guys, look at this. This is paradise right here.
That is so cool.
Hey guys, join me for a little room tour. So in here, it's like pretty big.
I bet we can open all these doors actually and bring like
The outside inside, which is a luxury.
it's amazing.
For us, we don't have that in Norway. I mean, some people do. So.
Good morning. We woke up in Spain, and I don't know if you can see it, but me and definitely Wilma are totally planning to go and head over to the Wipeout area and have a blast. Can you see it? Can I see it? There it is. So me and Wilma are going out to secure food supply for the rest of the family, because we are the family's protectors and the leaders of the pack. So we have responsibilities. But first, I will need to get some water. was so good. Actually, det smaker kaffe liksom.
Best
Mamma
da,
liker
bitter.
sikkert.
Jeg synes ikke den var
Kan jeg smake litt?
ikke den smakte kaffe. Ja.
Bare for at kanskje jeg kan komme med noen tilleggskommentarer.
Jeg lurer på om det liksom var melken eller det.
Den er jo søt, men det er litt sånn en sånn bismak, som er litt sånn røkaktig,
Ja.
synes jeg. En slags røyksmak. Nesten som tobakk.
Åh.
Skal den ikke være, den skal jo være
Ja.
sånn,
Nå hvis du lukter på
sånn
den.
som hvis du tygger tobakk. Det har kanskje aldri
Det har
det
jeg
gjort.
gjort. Det har du gjort.
Det følte jeg.
Mm. Before hit the road. Tell me why. There comes a point where you're gonna get too bulky to wear dresses. And I'm not gonna be a hater or anything, I'm just gonna say it as it is. I don't want to look too bulky. And I have a feeling that I'm gonna reach that point one time. Maybe not now, but soon. And from that point where I'm just gonna be too big, too bulky to wear cute and feminine dresses and cute and feminine clothes, I'll just transition. Start wearing big oversized t-shirts every day, the Adam Sandler style. Just really gonna fully embrace it. So we're back.
Yeah,
It's summertime. Last time we were here, it was fall. No, was it? Yes, or was it November? Maybe it was November. I can't remember. Welcome to Frognerparken. We are honored to have you here today. It's a beautiful day in Frognerparken. People are in such great moods. It's late in the evening, so everyone is finished with their work. So it's good vibes all around. Last time we were here, it rained. It's better to just let the video speak for itself. I can feel the ants crawling off my butt crack.
Wow.
Feels amazing.
Yeah.
Come join me. I know for myself that the second it's gonna be cold, the second we're hitting like September, October, and the weather is just shit every day and it's cold and freezing, I just know that I'll regret not swimming more and not taking the opportunity that we have and using it. Because days like this is like so amazing. 24, 25 degrees today, it's full sun. We could go out and swim, but there's poop in the water. So there's that. It's actually no joke. Like there's poop in the water in our local where we go swimming. So it's not very tempting right now. We should probably just find another beach further away where there's no poop. Det er godt med mat, da.
Det er ikke det vi har hørt.
Ja, det var 4. Who won, Sondre?
Me. Easy. Quick process. 12 strokes.
Did you get a stroke?
Nope.
Mm.
Skal vi se da. Ingenting er naturlig i den gata der. Nei, men hvis ikke så må man jo banke den nedi da, men det er jo så kjipt da. Nei, det går jo ikke det. Dette er for dumt. Ja, jeg må liksom få den nedi først.
Jeg tenker liksom det er naturlig å ha en vinovn. Det er så veldig mye.
Skal vi finne en hammer da?
Det er homemade. Sånn gjør vi på flisa. Jeg får følelsen at det her kommer til å smake ekstra godt. Det her vinen, den her jobbet hardt for.
Ja. Det er jo...
Det er litt kork, men ikke noe vi ikke dør av.
Vinen er jo god da.
Her er kvalitetsvin.
Fikk det.
Cheers, mate.
Og de elsker å høre historier. Hvis jeg liksom bare bøyer meg over og sier, har du lyst til å høre en historie?
Ja. Få se. Få se.
Hæ? Røsling. Det er litt tørr, noen av dem, men jeg må jo ha en liten bukett på utebordet.
Koselig.